So now we are beginning with U part of the job. We have already made.
To make the U part of a square fitting
Right.
job. This one is the final sketch.
We have already made the U part in the previous practical.
T.
So now we to T part of the previous practical.
So now we'll be making this U part.
So now we are making U part and the assembly of the two. So now we'll begin by cutting the raw material for the U part.
Start. So raw material is being fixed into the bench wise. We will cut now with marking.
ये शॉर्टकट ना मारे चलो
ਉਹਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੜਦੇ
Now he is marking 36 measurement. So once again 36 by 50 by 8 mm piece is cutting. 36 by 50 by 6. 6 mm is the thickness of this plate.
Marking line and इसकी punching.
Now he is doing the dot punching to make the line firmer. Now he is fitting the raw material into the bench wise, and now he will cut along the marked line with the help of hacksaw.
So here we have the raw material for our U part.
50 by 36.
Yes. Once again, we'll make all the four sides right angle to each other, and we'll get the final size 48 by 34 mm. So now we are beginning with file.
Once again he will be making a perfect rectangle on all the edges, all four edges. Now the adjacent edge. Now he is checking the straightness using the tri-square. Straight. Now the other edge. Sure. Now the second edge is also complete. Now he will check the perpendicularity of the two adjacent edges with the help of tri-square.
No, this side.
No, slight difference is there. We'll correct it now.
Now is once again going to correct
कोई तो ਤੁਸੀਂ
So he's using the half round file for fine
smooth file just for finishing.
finishing.
We'll file the third side.
Now the third edge is being filed.
Two sides are okay.
The third side is also done.
Okay. Now the three sides have been filed and three sides are at
Right.
right angle to each other. That is also we have checked with the help of a price code. So now the last
Fourth
side,
edge.
Fourth.
Now the same process once again. He's checking the straightness. Is it okay, sir?
Right.
Okay.
Now we'll check for the dimension 48 by 34. Please use vernier caliper.
Okay.
48 sir.
So 48 is okay. Hanji.
36 millimeters.
30,
34 sir.
34. So this is the size we wanted to make. The size is okay, and the perpendicularity of the sides is also okay. So this will be our final job. So now we are starting marking to cut U in our workpiece. So here this gentleman is now marking with the help of a height gauge for making U.
14 mm.
14 mm sir.
Now the marking has been done and these lines will be formed up with the help of a prick punch. After that we'll start cutting.
Now this is complete. Now he will cut along the markings with the help
For
of
making U.
Now he has cut up till the marked line. Now he has cut along the marked lines. Now the next step is he will drill a hole near the corners to cut the U, because we cannot use hexa to cut from this place, right? So here he will be making the holes with the help of drill. So here it is a drill machine, and he is holding the job. So for making the holes, he is making the center punch so that the drills can be marked. Now we are removing the inner material to make it a perfect U. Now this one is the rough U. After drilling the holes and with the help of this chisel, we have removed this internal portion. Now he will make the finishing process. Now he will be. So now he is finishing the internal portions of this. Now he is finishing the other side also of the internal U.
So here have the final U after filing from inside. So now we'll file the assembly T and U from the sides and finish it.
Now he is finishing the complete assembly T and U.
Final assembly T and U. See, like this T and U, and this is the assembly. So here is our job.
Square fitting job complete.
Right, square fitting job completed.
So okay ji, thank you so much. Have a nice day.